Welcome. Today we're going to go over 3 different ways of how to access the TNS names file via SQL Developer. So when you create a new connection type, hit TNS, you'll be able to select a specific network alias here. By default, SQL Developer reads from the Oracle Home Network Admin directory here. So if you have this directory already set up, SQL Developer should pick it up by default. The second area it looks is a TNS admin environment variable. So if you have this set up to a specific directory with your TNSnames.ora file, you'll be able to read it from this variable. Go to your search bar, type in env, hit edit system environment variables, and then you can choose whether you just want a system or for a user. So we're going to do a user variable here. Just do a TNS admin. And then here you just want to copy the path that you have. Okay. Now you want to restart your SQL Developer. Now if you look, you'll see that the network alias is in place now because of the new environment variable that we just set up. Go to SQL Developer. Go to Tools, Preferences, Database here. Expand that, hit Advanced. And then in this Advanced section, you'll see the TNS names directory. So you'll just browse to choose the specific directory where your file exists. So for us, it's in this path here, so hit OK. And then you may need to restart SQL Developer, but if you hit new connection again, go to TNS names. Now you should see the entries from your TNS names file. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment.